He tui tui, he waihanga I Ngāi Tahu o ngā poraka me ngā tīhate o Māori Motivation. He kamupene Māori, nā Taukiri Manawatu, raua ko Kiri Williams, no Ngāi Tahu.
I was actually really shocked that that sort of stuff was still happening. And I thought, man, like, when is it going to stop? Like, when is it going to stop? Who's going to stand up and do something? So I thought, well, let's have a go.
Ko rongo kē te tokorua nei ki ngā taumahatanga o te utu ki te tautoko I ngā tamariki I te ao hākinakina. Nā reira, ka pua wai mai tēnei kamupene.
We're actually supporting a lot of our whānau at the moment, so a couple of the athletes that we already have, they are whānau, so we wanted to start there. Like, I couldn't start this brand and bypass my own family and not help these kids that are trying to get after it.
I think too because it's personal for us. Taukiri mentioned that when he was a young kid, like that was one of his reasons for not following his career. He didn't want to put the financial burden on his parents. And then also being a parent of sports children, it's an insane amount of money and commitment.
E whakaeri ana a kiri I ngā poraka hou, ka tahi ka pōhia te whakaahua o ngā kākahu ki te hoko mā te pai tukutuku. A ka hoatu te tāhua ki ngā whānau e hōkāreri ana ki te utu mō ngā hākinakina.
We have the means to support our kids, but it's hard, and so we just wanted to take the burden off some other parents that have some super skilled kids that never get to make it because of that.
And so we came up with this idea of putting my favourite quotes on t-shirts and translating them into te reo Māori. Just came up with an idea to relaunch the brand and repurpose it towards supporting kids on their journey to greatness.
Ko te pai tata, he waihanga I tētahi rārangi pūeru hākinakina. A tēnā tirohia atu ki te pai tukutuku o Māori Motivation, ki te whakakākahu I a koe. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.